In this video, we will talk about how to add followers on Pinterest. Let's get started. Pinterest is a visual search engine for discovering inspiration for things like recipes, decorating ideas, and more. You can always get inspiration from Pinterest because of its enormous collection of pins. Open your Pinterest profile, just as I did. My profile's homepage is here. Now press the search option from the bottom bar to search for a new profile or pins. Here you can get the option to follow with the appeared pins. You simply can add these profiles one by pressing the follow button. Or you can search profiles of your choice. But for now, I will just scroll down and follow them. If I go back and see my profile, my followings will be shown here. Now you are wondering, I am just adding my followings here, so how can my followers add here? So, the answer is that when you follow different accounts or profiles, they also follow you back. And that's how you can add followers, simply by following them first. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.